So, you guys, as looking at this recent cryptocurrency hack, we have crypto.com hack affected 483 users, $333 million was stolen. So, these are some of the updates we're checking out on this article with your back keys. I'll still be dropping a link to SafePal where you can get your assets decentralized. So, you guys, crypto.com has confirmed that 483 users so far unauthorized withdrawals from their accounts after a hot wallet hack this week. A total of 4,836 ETH was taken during the incident alongside these amounts of BTC and cash values. So in the cash terms, more than $33 million in funds were stolen, meaning the incident was far bigger than the previous one. Or with Crypto.com as interested that no customers have experienced a lot of twists, more with unauthorized uh, glass case and more. So guys, it says looking at the latest news updates and more, the crypto.com has stressed that no of its users had experienced a loss of funds and more. In all other cases, customers were fully imposed, it added. So the exchange explained that the vulnerability emerged after transactions were approved with the two-factor authentication control being imputed by the user. All withdrawals were suspended until uh, a fix could be found. If customers were told to log in again and the company revamped and migrated to a completely near two-factor verification infrastructure. The changes introduced, so users will now need to wait 24 hours to complete their first withdrawal after adding a new whitelisted address, and notifications will help alert account holders if an address is added without their consent. A worldwide account protection program is also being introduced that protects user funds if a third party gains unauthorized access, restoring up to $250,000 in stolen assets. A statement Crypto.com CEO, co-founder Chris Zelek said, "Safety of our customers' funds is our highest priority. We are continually enhancing our defense in the depth, security, and protection measures while we are reminded of the existence of bad actors intent on committing fraud. This new worldwide account protection program, along with our new MFA infrastructure, give our users unprecedented protection of their funds and hopefully peace of mind." So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe, stay tuned, one love.